All right, so here's how the animation looks like. Notice what happened when I press the green button. Um, the cat should be in the middle, and it's 100% size, and it should be facing to the right, and it will say something. So I'll press the green button now, and then it will stop there and do nothing unless the user press the arrow keys on the keyboard. So now I'm going to press the up arrow key. Okay, so you notice every time I press the up arrow key, the the cat is facing up and it's changing its size and it's making a sound, and also it's changing its pitch. Now I'm going to press the down arrow key. Okay, so with the down arrow key, the cat is facing down, it's moving down, and also it increases its size and the pitch becomes lower. Now I'm going to press the right arrow key. Okay, with the right arrow key, the cat is facing to the right, moving to the right, making sound. The size is not getting smaller or bigger, it stays the same. Also, the pitch stays the same. I'm going to press the left arrow key. Okay, the same thing with the right except for the direction. So, pressing the left arrow key, it moves to the left side. The same size for the cat, playing sound, the same pitch. Okay, once again, I'm going to move up. Okay, this time I will press to the right. See that? You hear that? The pitch from where it left behind is the same. So move to the left. Okay, the pitch is the same. Now moving to down, to the right, to the left. All right. Now I'm going to press the green button one more time. And once again, notice what will happen to the cat. All right. It's in the middle. The reset to its 100% size and then making the sound. So that's all.